So today I'm going to show you how to use a really cool, interesting technique called visible mending. And today we're going to mend a broken pocket on this denim jacket. So what you'll need to do that is some yarn. Choose a nice colour if you want. I chose a beautiful green one. Some scissors, a needle that's the right size to thread the yarn into, and a pin. If you're wondering which is the right size of needle to use for your thread, the thread should pass quite easily through the needle, and that's the right size. So when you're then using the needle on the fabric, as long as it's not leaving massive holes, that would indicate that the needle's too big, then it should be just right. So first step, you want to get the pin to secure the pocket in place where it would have been originally. So now the pocket's secured in place, you get your thread, tie it about the length of your arm, and then the easiest way to get started is to just do a double knot. So one simple knot, and then repeat the knot, and then snip that off. Okay, so now I'm starting from the back, and I'm gonna start from the bottom of the pocket. I'm gonna start from the side that doesn't have the pocket on, just because that bit of fabric's a bit thinner, it's easier to get your needle through. So you want to start and go upwards, and I'm gonna do this at a 45°,